So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will discussing about our new game because I'm making a new game. Maybe it will be a 2D or a 3D project because we have 2 days of time to create it. So I implemented some of my old 2D models from Trolls platform. Oh, you don't know what Trolls platform is? It is basically a 2D game made by me. So download it now in itch.io. Link is in description. So let's continue. It is loading. So I created my level 1 and that is day 1, and in the day 1 I created my level. So our level is looking like this. So let's take its gameplay and see. So let it load. Still we will talk. That's the game in 2D, and for 3D we need more days to make a 3D game. So here are the gothic monsters. Some of you will remember that we have seen it somewhere. Yes, that's the monsters I've used in Trolls platform. So when you will touch this monster, the you lose screen will appear, and if you fall into this void, then also you lose screen will appear. And here when you touch this diamond shape looking like a drawing, you will win. So let's take a gameplay. So A and D for forward and backward movement, or right and left, and jump for space for our jumping, and continuous space we can fly. Basically the storyline is very complicated. He is the Troll's brother. Troll is an alien and he is an astronaut. So if you touch them, if you fall like this, the screen will appear, you lose, freak off. So when you click on restart, the level will again start, and you can do a parkour stunt like this. Oh, yoi, like that. I'm an elite gamer. No, you can't go here directly, but you have to move like that, and you won. And when you click on next level, the level 2 will appear. I'm not creating this level, that's why it is blank, because time is over. You can see currently it is 4:15, and I'm pretty tired from sitting by 10 a.m. So I will make the level at second day, and we have 2 works remaining: level 2 and main menu, and an icon for our game, and what should be the title of the game, because Swordman, no sword is here, just like a Trolls platform. Second day, and it's day 2, and I created the level 2. It literally take only half an hour, because the work is only to copy and paste. And now everything is ready, so all the tests are over. I tested the levels, I tested the whole game to check if there is any glitch or other things. So let's build it, and I have made an icon for our game. So that's the icon. I literally just screenshotted the astronaut guy, like this, and crop it and save it in PNG and upload it in Unity. So just let's build our game, and I decided the name like Trolls Platform 2 because that's only the platform. So our version is 1.1, and I did every settings here. Just I have to build now. So let's build. So I will see you after the game builds, and our game is ready. Just minimize our Unity. Let's minimize our Unity and all things, other things, and let's run our game and see how its game plays. The challenge is completed of 2 days. I created this game in 2 days, of 2 levels. So after my challenge is completed, so after that I will just create more levels in it. So let's check and run our game. So you can see here our icon is successfully coming here, and whole size of the game is up to 76 MB, 77 MB. That's not too much. So I think 2 games are running here. Desktop, yes. So let's start. So that was our game. If you like this game, please like, share and subscribe to your channel, because I not sleep from 2 days because of this game, and I did everything by my own, not copying from any website or other things. So soon you will get the game's trailer and storyline, and you can play this game on itch.io. On my profile you will get that game, Trolls Platform 2. So thanks for watching. You can download the game, link is in the description. So we'll be in another video. Thanks.